you are an engineer who turned into a designer. You worked at Zomato and Google, but eventually decided to open up your own company. Can you tell us three really important mindset shifts that you made that allowed this transition to, happen easily?
Oh, so there's no easy way to, come like start a company. There's only the hard way. I think what changed for me was a very long-term bet on the potential that I felt I have, which I thought I couldn't fulfill in my previous organization. So I thought I can do much more. And so that was the initial kicker for me to start something on my own. I really wanted to build something big, do a lot of things myself, and I wasn't getting that kind of freedom anywhere, really. So I figured if I have to do a lot of things, I can only do it at my company, And I was a generalist. I could design, I could code, could write. At every point in time, I've picked up some new skill to do something. So that sort of mentality that, I can learn something very fast and be good at it. I wouldn't take time to learn something new. If I have to pick something, I'll pick it. So all of these things sort of made me realize that if I really have to make a huge impact, it has to be by starting my own thing. It could have been by joining a startup as well. But back then, the startups that I was working at, I pretty much was in the ecosystem, right? I was working with everyone. But then I realized that, I need to find my own thing, what I'm passionate about, what I need to do. So I think I just did that. That was a really long-term bet I took when I was young. And I'm still going to continue taking it.
That makes a lot of sense. I mean, you're probably gifted.
You just saw a snippet from whiteboard.fm. You can watch the entire episode by clicking on the link in description. We have hundreds of clips on design case studies, hiring processes, and much more. This podcast is a part of the 10K Designers Network. Check out our website whiteboard.fm to learn more.